Hello everyone, welcome to the final part of our introduction to SQL Storage. I'm Chidebere Arinze, and today we are wrapping up the databases chapter by diving into the data itself, how it is stored, the different data types in SQL, and what the database schema looks like. Let's jump right in. When we create a table in SQL, each field needs a specific data type. This is crucial because the data type determines how the data is stored and what operation we can perform on it. For example, multiplying numbers makes sense, but trying to multiply text, not so much. Let's start with strings. In programming, a string is simply a sequence of characters like letters or punctuation. In our patrons table, the names Maha and James are examples of strings. SQL provides different data types for strings. For instance, you might use a small data type for short string to save space, but SQL's Varchar is a flexible option that can handle anything from a few characters to thousands. Next up, integers. These are whole numbers like the year stored in our member year field. SQL gives us several options for storing integers depending on the range of numbers we are working with. One of the most common is int, which can handle numbers from -2 billion up to +2 billion. Now, let's talk about float. These are numbers with a fractional part, like the $2.05 that Jasmine knows in fine. SQL has several data types for floats depending on how precise you need to be. For example, the numeric data type can store up to 38 digits, which is perfect for fields requiring a high level of accuracy. With data type covered, let's move on to schemas. Think of a schema as the blueprint of your database. It shows you how everything is organized. A schema will lay out which tables are in your databases, how they are related, and what data type each field uses. In our library database schema, for instance, Varchar is used for fields like book title, author, and genre. You can also see how the patron table connects to the checkout table, but not directly to the book table. Finally, let's talk about where this data lives. Database storage. The data in your tables is stored on a server's hard disk. Servers are powerful computers that provide services like data access over a network. While any computer can technically be a server, dedicated servers are usually large and powerful, designed to handle tons of requests and store massive amounts of data. And that's a wrap on our introduction to SQL Storage. I hope you have found these lessons helpful. If you did, please subscribe, like, comment, and share with others who might benefit. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and until next time, happy learning.